a very honorable chief guest also, and you will be always there, and you will be rising
Yes,
up in
ma'am.
your
Yes.
life. Sky is not the limit, my dear children.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for your great word. Now I will just can I bring the ma'am? Can you see my screen now? Is it visible?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
yes.
रत्नेश जी दिख रहा है?
Yes, 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 been clear.
Okay. So Leila ma'am, can I play the title song?
Sir, voice is not audible.
Leila ma'am, but it is audible. Okay, okay,
So
okay, okay.
we can hear you, Ravi. You
Disconnect
can start.
your no? Yeah, yeah.
Igniting Young Minds welcome you all for the workshop. And we know very well that you all are really very productive and very constructive, and we all will be joining together to make our country India self-reliant, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has already looked and he has got the vision that we have to make our India self-reliant. In all the fields, we have to struggle for that, and that particular day is not so far. In every field, we are making tremendous progress, and you know very well that small drops of water will be making a big ocean. So even though this IIM is already starting, and it has already started with a very good mission and vision on the basis of the good thoughts of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is already known as a missile man of India and the people's president. You know about him, and more than that, he was a down to earth person. So we salute Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, even though he is not in the midst of us, but his wonderful thoughts and his firing speeches and his notable quotations will always be having an impact in our life. Surely, children, please look forward for joining the workshop. I wish a very good time to each and everyone, those who have already joined this particular workshop.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Can I play the title song?
I think Ravi ji, you can. Well, this is depending on the time.
मैम को लगता है मेरी आवाज नहीं जा रही है ना रकेश जी? हम प्ले
Yes,
कर देते हैं, ठीक है? स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
yes,
Sir, sir,
depending on the time, जो भी आप
sir, sir,
देख
sir,
and
first, all students should on.
हाँ रिशु बोलो.
It's a very good, sir. All students should on the video, sir. Very good.
Yes, everyone please
Hello.
on the video. Everyone please on the video. While we are going to play the title song of Tamil Nadu, I request all the students please on the video. Please everyone, please on your video. Okay, good. चलो, yes. रत्नेश जी स्क्रीन ना स्क्रीन
yes,
दिख रहा है आपको?
yes.
Okay, 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 fine, fine.
தாய்மணிக்கொடி தான்மணிக்கொடி சொல்லுது ஜெய்ஹிந்த். தாயகம் கத்திட தன்னலம் போக்கிட சொல்லுக ஜெய்ஹிந்த். என் இந்திய தேசம் இது ரத்தம் சிந்திய தேசம் இது. என் இந்திய தேசம் இது ரத்தம் சிந்திய தேசம் இது. காந்தி மகான் வந்த கண்ணிய பூமி இது. தாயின் மணிக்கொடி தாயின் மணிக்கொடி சொல்லுது ஜெய்ஹிந்த். தாயகம் தன்னலம் போக்கிட சொல்லுக ஜெய்ஹிந்த்.
Oh, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
yes, Ravi ji.
हाँ स्टक हो गया बीच में.
Yes, let's
स्टक हो गया, चलिए आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए।
Yes, yes. Should I share
आपने हम
from?
उसको एक और प्ले कर देंगे।
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so very good morning. Good morning to all. So all the students in Tamil Nadu now. Uh, Very special thanks to Leila ma'am for organizing this. And really, so I am myself Ratnesh Mishra, part of Student Satellites Project Pratham, and very happy to have Yash Sangvi here, the young scientist from the satellite team. So definitely, who will be addressing you all in this workshop. So thank you, and now let's have the start. So I'll just share the screen.
I welcome one and you all for this auspicious time to witness the workshop conducted by our young scientists in collaboration with IYM. Ratnesh Mishra sir, we welcome you. God's names as well as the children from Dharani School. We welcome you with open arms. Please be very happy to conduct the workshop in Chennai. We salute you, sir.
Thank you very much. Definitely. So yes, as Igniting Young Minds, we have conducted workshop in different states now, and uh, in all parts of India and also in Maldives. So we also have Satya ma'am. Thank you very much for being here. So she was part of the Maldives workshop before, and like aeronautical trainee. So yes, great to connect. Uh, so yes, these are the different places where we have already done. And so yes, let's have the start. Uh, so anything which is happening right now, or anything could be done with the help of satellite, or whatever we are currently working on. We are doing the satellite workshop is all through the application of satellite. And we are so about different satellite space and science. You can definitely go on and have the research in Google or anything through any medium. But the main presence of us being here is basically to link everything. So every action of yours and your daily actions linking to the satellite. So satellite is not that complex satellite which couldn't be made, but it is something which is everything around you. For the simple thing, so like in the period of COVID, if you consider, there are a lot of daily action might be the mask, wearing the mask and social distancing. So I'll be able to link how it is linked to satellite also. Like you will be curious to know what exactly made the satellite to wear mask, though there is no COVID in space. So you will be able to know that there is a, every time you see the satellite and spacecraft, there is a golden layer. So that is sort of mask for them for preventing the space radiation. So in the similar way, like human body have the brain, the eyes to sense, to actuate. Similarly, the satellite has a lot of these things to work. Basically, you take food for the energy. The satellite takes the sun energy and also the battery to store it. So yes, based on that, it basically uh, yeah. So so based on this, space is actually a drawing book for all. So now just we have covered the land, it is space and is all left to explore. So it is like that drawing book, which is basically you can make anything out on it, anything out of it. If you just keep researching on stars, you can go from Dhruv Tara to Saptarishi, constellation size and everything. If you just focus on the darkness or the black thing, you can end up making or researching on the black hole. If you just focus on the sun, you might end up making or searching for the new solar system. So that's vast this space is in terms of exploration. So yes, definitely you might be roaming the picture this Swadesh, which basically excites the students about the sky, space, science. Uh, all these things, all these. So we will be sharing definitely the journey of Pratham, how it actually started and all. It was all built by the students of college. But all these journey revolve around the two oceans. So since this is for the first time, like in Tamil Nadu, I can see a lot of videos on. So I'll just, when I'll ask you a few questions, if it is a yes, you may just raise your hand or you can message on the chat box. So the first thing is, like this is for all the teachers, all the parents also. In their childhood, have you ever dreamt to roam around the whole world? Like you ever thought of कि दुनिया घूमेंगे? Okay. Yes, of course. So yes, I can see some videos with race. Okay. So that is first. And the second, have you ever dreamt to touch the sky in your childhood? All the parents who might be sitting there with your children, have you ever dreamt to touch the sky? Okay. Okay. Lot of yes. So everyone might have thought of it. I personally don't know whether I did or fulfilled both the dreams or not. But definitely, I was part of Pratham, the student satellite, which did the both things. It is revolving around Earth every 90 minutes a revolution at a speed of 7 kilometers per second. Like if I'll start from here to Tamil Nadu with the speed of satellite, might be there in 2 3 minutes. So that's how it is revolving around the whole world. So that fulfills the first one. And definitely it has not just touched the sky, it is more even into it. It touched the space. So that's how it fulfilled the dreams of not like me and many such students and different parents. So yes, that's why we call this journey as a journey of dreams. So you'll be able to know a lot of curious things on excited things on this. So yes, this is the Pratham which we are talking about the satellite. Uh, yeah, all of you might guess the picture with a lot of emotions and super excitement. You can guess the day it would have been. So this was the day of satellite launch. So the satellite got launched with ISRO PSLV C-35. You all might be knowing the ISRO centers where basically they launch different satellites from India and outside India. So this all started with very simple question of why can't we build the satellite? Since we had a lot of other projects going on and we started with very simple things. And the answer to it was so revolutionary that me and Yash are sitting here to have the discussions on the satellite. So that's how it actually started. Yeah, so the main on the vision side, this satellite main function was to measure the in the INS. So there are different layers that you all might be knowing. So in that, it measures electron density and it has different application in terms of scientific field and also in terms of tsunami prediction. So that's how this application was. So you all might be telling in different complex things, ये क्या rocket science है? So this is actually the rocket science. This is the rocket science what we are talking about and what we used to talk about. So this involves a lot of those complex challenges, things around it, and definitely the way it involves. So your satellite will be just but it so जैसे आपका
Shivaya,
so you all
please
might
mute yourself, otherwise you will be removed from the.
yes. So just so you all might be knowing कि it is getting launched with PSLV. So if your satellite is just 1 crore or 2 crore project and anything from the satellite gets hit to the rocket, it can create a disaster in the field of space. So those quality precision is definitely a part of it, which is much needed. As you can see here, a lot of this is the internal picture of the satellite. And definitely just like all of you do science projects and all, definitely there is a need for the team around it and the person who is building it. So these all were part of satellite. This whole journey was not just the story of one day, not just the story of 1 week, not even just 1 year, but it was for 8 long years from 2008 to 2016. where hundreds of members came in and out from it. And this is how as you can see on the picture, this is how the routine was to perform, to do the test and everything. So I'll share one of the this thing. So in the last workshop, Manvi Dhawan, one of the great scientists in this, also joined, and she used to tell कि there is no second chance in space. For the simple reason, you can assume like it कि there might be a chair or table in your house, and every time, so what is the possible way to bring the chair? Like either you can bring it on your vehicle or tempo or something of those sort. If there is, so a maximum of 100 kg person can sit on the chair. If anything, any screw comes out of the chair, you either try to get it fixed by your own or by some person from the maintenance or a service engineer. What about the satellite? Definitely not possible to take it in a tempo to the space. So it is only possible through PSLV. That is the launch vehicle for it. And definitely, if any screw comes out of satellite in space, you cannot call ISRO. Hey, ISRO Health Center, the satellite screw got came out, and please send an astronaut to correct it. So definitely that is not possible.
Dian Ahmad,
So that's
Dian Ahmad, presenting.
yeah, I'll just reshare it.
I'll remove some. It's removed now. Yes, you can resume the presentation. I remove it.
Yes, yeah. So yes, so this was
Listen everyone carefully. Those who on audio, those who will present the screen, I will remove you from the meeting immediately. Why? Shiva, please mute yourself.
so this
Okay,
was
continue.
yes,
Please
Ravi.
continue.
Yeah, thank you. So this was a picture during one of the testing. So which is like 40 hours of continuous long test. And definitely Yash has more great experience on this. So this is a 40 hours of long testing where we were all awake for these many hours with the things. Someone is collecting data, someone is doing tests, someone is so there are a lot of adventure thrill linked to it. So you all might be knowing about the different missions of ISRO like Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan. So they have their own separate different testings, like ranging from 30 days to 40 days of for even 2 months of continuous these rigorous testing. So yes, this was and we like in between the testing, lot of ups and downs of it, and then we came out of it with the thing ki how it is getting into success. Very so first of all, very happy to tell you that we just have completed 4 years of the satellite on 26th September. Now this so today is 27, just completed 4 years and of Pratham launch, and it's very lucky day for Bihar and Tamil Nadu workshop to have in this time. And so whose brainchild was actually this? So this is the guy Saptarishi Bandyopadhyay who was the founder of this, and currently now he is in NASA with working in Jet Propulsion Lab, where basically the propulsion are related to satellites. So he is part of the NASA team now. And yes, after that, a lot of project managers with different generations pass on, and I was as you can see me on the right, youngest of all, and feeling proud to have the satellite launch in my 10 years. And yes, those type of memories and those long journey, like of 8 years, as I mentioned, was there. And yeah, so this was actually the picture of the SHAR Sriharikota. You all might be knowing from where the PSLV gets launched. This was our first step towards the infinity. So yes, Raviji, you can play the video, the launch video.
Yes, I got the video now. Yes, sure. Yes, so good morning everyone. This is the video I'm going to play for Pratham, how it was launched from the Sriharikota. I hope you know that Sriharikota is the center of all satellite of India. So I will just share the screen now. Ratnesh ji.
Yes. Yes.
वेट, इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? हो गया क्या? दिख रहा आपको?
आप लॉन्च
नहीं, वो स्क्रीन थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन में बच्चे भी जो अच्छा रत्नेश जी 2 मिनट रुकिए, थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल एरर आ रहा है, ठीक है, तब तक आप बात कीजिए।
Sure, बिल्कुल। So anyways, we'll be sharing a small video of PSLV launch.
Came or not?
Yes, it is there.
रत्नेश जी आ गया क्या स्क्रीन?
Yes, आ गया। Yes. So yes, Raviji, the screen is visible. Can you just click?
क्या दिक्कत आ रही?
You can play the video, YouTube video.
यहाँ पे विजिबल नहीं हो
तो आ रहा है, नहीं प्ले हो रहा है यहाँ पे। अच्छा, एक मिनट।
Yeah, so maybe later you can.
क्या हो रहा है ना कि
रत्नेश सर आपके पास होगा ना, आप वहां से प्ले कर।
Yeah.
रुको ना यार, रुको ना, सब हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत लो। अभी दिख रहा है क्या स्क्रीन?
नहीं।
Yes. Just
स्क्रीन
नहीं।
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है क्या रत्नेश जी?
नहीं सर, विजिबल
नहीं। एक काम करेंगे,
YouTube लिंक
मैं आपको लिंक भेज देता हूँ, मैं भेज देता हूँ, ठीक है। मैसेज बॉक्स में डाल रहा हूँ मैं। यस, मैसेज बॉक्स में चेक कीजिए, मैंने आपको भेज दिया। मैसेज बॉक्स चेक कीजिए रत्नेश जी। धना लक्ष्मी कौन है भाई? हाँ, प्रेजेंट कीजिए रत्नेश जी, मैंने वीडियो का लिंक दे दिया आपको।
Danielist Miss, please mute your mic, please.
रत्नेश जी।
Yes. Good morning.
Mic off.
Ravi sir, good morning.
Yes sir, good morning sir, good morning.
Sir, here we welcome our Vice President of IIM, Dr. Vidit Saha, and Satya Robert from Maldives, and so also our honorable guests and our honorable young scientist, Rajneesh Misra ji, whom you were already listening now, and he is going to share the very great experiences related to Pratham. So we salute your big work, sir, and words are really, I have to search the words how to tell about your tremendous work. We are really proud of you, sir. We Indians will make our India self-reliant.
And we have another scientist also. Yes, Sangvi ji from IIT Bombay.
Sangvi ji, yes,
He's also
yes,
with
sir.
us. Yes. So, ma'am,
We welcome you,
also.
sir.
Yes, Sangvi.
Yes, sir, we welcome you because we are really happy as well as we really feel blessed to have such a type of dignitaries in our workshop. And my dear children, please mute your mic and please stay tuned whenever the workshop is going on. It is my kind request to each and everyone. I welcome Shahjahan sir also. He is also there. And Danielist Mimes, Pavitra Miss, and rest of all my dear students. Okay, hearty welcome to
yes,
each and everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So should I play this video?
Yes, you can play.
yeah, play,
Only
play,
the
yes,
video.
play कीजिए.
Only video is not audible to us. Like video.
यस जी, क्या कीजिए ना, अब अभी अगर कंप्यूटर से प्ले कर रहे होंगे ना, तो उसमें गूगल करके आता है, शेयरिंग करेंगे. यस जी, वहां पर
Right.
गूगल क्रोम करके से आएगा, वहां पर आप ऑडियो वीडियो प्ले हो.
सेम
Google
सेम किया है, बस उसमें वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है वीडियो का. तो हम इसको बाद में
एक मिनट, जैसे ही वो करेंगे ना, तो वो क्या होगा कि वहां पर देखेगा प्रेजेंट ऑडियो दिखेगा. रुकिए एक मिनट रुकिए.
Okay.
यस, प्रेजेंट ऑडियो. अभी स्क्रीन दिख रही है क्या रत्नेश जी? अभी दिख रही है क्या?
नहीं.
अब हाँ सर दिख रही है, अब सही है.
यस, होगा धीरे
जस्ट
धीरे.
आपका मेन स्क्रीन दिख रहा है.
अभी चल रहा है क्या रत्नेश जी?
आपका ठीक है रवि जी, आप उस पे एक बार ट्राई करिए, वापस से हम ट्राई करेंगे. सो दिस वाज द वीडियो विल शेयर सून व्हिच इज ऑफ द लॉन्च, द PSLV C35 लॉन्च. व्हेन यू सी द लॉन्च वीडियोस, एक्चुअली जो आप you see in TV, where basically the launch of the PSLV, the rocket, and when you feel on the top of that rocket there is your satellite, completely built by you, so that amount of feel and thrill you'll feel. So definitely yes. Now I'll so yes, Ravi ji, you can pass on to Vidyut sir or Yash.
Yes, Vidyut sir, can you unmute yourself, Dr. Vidyut sir? Hello, Dr. Vidyut sir. Yes. Hello.
Yeah. I
Yes,
can
sir,
audible.
Please share your words, sir.
It's a very good morning. It's a great day on the occasion of the World Tourism Day. Today is the World Tourism Day, and it's a hats off to our Ratnesh Mishra ji, Ravi sir, and recently joined the IIT Young Scientists. They are doing a lot of things for you. So students, it's a really golden opportunity to meet the youngest scientists of the India whom we are bringing, and that too, you are getting so much knowledge over there, right? So we try to collected some teachers from Maldives, Shahjan sir, Lala madam, Satya madam, and other people are there who are working for you. So please, you understand, under this pandemic situations, this Ignite world is doing a lot of things for the youngsters who are coming up, right? So students, you have one dream, right? Whatever your dream is there, you have to stick to that dream, and we are there to help you in all the aspects, right? So it's a really wonderful opportunity, and for me also, that I am coming back to Tamil Nadu on this show. So please make sure you do something good to come up, like Ratnesh ji or Abhi jo Ravi sir jo bol rahe hain, theek hai na, they are doing a lot of things over there, and we have young talented so many students over here. Just I don't want to mention all the names, just I will take Dinu Lashmi, who is also our brand ambassador and doing lot of things. Maybe she probably participating. So hats off to you. Thanking for this opportunity, Ratnesh Mishra ji and Ravi sir, and young
yes, Sangvi sir, one more scientist with us, sir. So one more scientist there, yes, Sangvi ji. Yes, Sangvi ji.
Yes. I already sent message to Sanvi sir. So it's a great. I want to salute for this with the team, Ratan Mishra ji, Sanvi ji, and yesterday we celebrated 4 years. I couldn't come due to the evaluations in the net, but it was a great opportunity. Jo youngsters, jo dekh rahe hain, those who are the young coming students, right? You have lot of things to deal on that one. So just have a look what Sir Mishra sir and Sanvi sir is doing. It's a great thing, and you can also do. So we are giving you a golden platform to come on this. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. I will be keep observing. All the best. Cheers.
Thank you.
Okay,
Vijay. Now,
Satya
thank
ma'am,
you.
can you unmute yourself?
Thank you, sir.
Can you unmute yourself?
So much, sir.
Yes. Now, Satya ma'am, please unmute yourself. Hello, Satya ma'am. Can you hear me? Satya ma'am. Hello, Satya ma'am. Satya ma'am.
Please on பண்ணிதான் இருக்கு.
Sir, Satya ma'am is facing some technical problems, sir. I am her
Sure.
colleague. I'm
No issue.
working with her, and she said she's facing some technical problems. Sorry, sir.
Okay, so
No,
I
it's
will
perfectly
I will
fine.
request our another scientist,
Yes.
yes, Sangviji, to please unmute yourself and share your golden words with Tamil Nadu
Yes,
student.
so
And we are really thankful to Sangviji because he is the one of the scientists who is not only doing, who has not only made the satellite for India, he is doing a lot of social work for the student of our country. And you can just follow him, you just type his name in the Google, you'll find how big he is. So his YouTube video number of view is 1 lakh, 1 million right now. So we
I
have to
think
celebrate him for
more
that
than
also. So please, sir.
படிக்கிறான் எந்த பையன்னு கேக்குது. அது கூட
Great,
ஏதோ
great.
meeting
Over-
போகுது, என்னன்னு தெரியல.
Hello everyone, good
Yes.
morning. Thank you for these kind words, Raviji. So I'm very happy to join you all today and share my experiences. So just like Ratnesh had said that I'll ask you a few questions. You just have to, if you want to say yes, just show me this thumbs up. If you want to say no, so show me the thumbs down. Okay. Now, tell me, how after this presentation, how many of you feel that you also can make a satellite? You can also type in the box.
Yes or no? Yes, sir. It's coming.
That's great. So I'm very happy with this optimism. So, keep this optimism. So when I joined IIT Bombay and I did not know, okay, these people are making a satellite, I came to know and I was like, how can students make satellites? Satellite is something that very senior people do, at the country level. There are so many countries which have not made a satellite yet, and these are students. How can they make a satellite? But when I joined the team, when I, met these people, I realized that, the making the satellite just sounds very difficult. But when you get started, it, you go on with the flow and things happen. You continue, and we also I'm not saying it was easy. There were a lot of difficulties in the path, but with the team with you, you can, overcome all these difficulties. And this is true for, almost anything that you find is very difficult. If something, looks difficult from the outside, just yesterday we were having this, get together of our entire team because it was the 4th anniversary of Pratham launch. So all of us, just like we are, gathering online, our entire team gathered online, and a lot of seniors were sharing their experiences with us. And one of them mentioned a very good thing, that something which is, looking very difficult from the outside, it will just take 20% more effort than a normal thing, than an ordinary thing. So while from the outside you may feel that, oh, this will take 500% more effort, 1000% more effort. Once you start doing it, all it takes is just 20% extra. So, this is not just talk. You can also experience it yourself. All of you have homework to do? Yes, no? Yes. How many of you like doing homework? So there are a couple of people. That's great. So when you do your homework, you come across some difficult problems and some very easy problems. Yes, no? So how many of you want to avoid the difficult problems when doing your homework? So easy पहले कर लेते हैं, difficult बाद में देखेंगे. Like, let's finish off the easy ones first. Let's do the difficult ones later. How many of you do that?
A lot of yes on that.
Right. But when you actually finish off the problem and you have the solution with you, you might just realize that it was not as difficult as you thought it was. After solving the problem doesn't appear to be that difficult. when I did not make a satellite, making a satellite appeared to be very difficult for me. And I thought only some senior people can do it, students cannot do it. And I was like, these people must be like some extraordinarily talented people who are doing satellite stuff. But when I started making the satellite, and now that we have already made a satellite, making the satellite doesn't sound very difficult, right? And what's the best part about doing difficult stuff, doing impossible stuff? You make a lot of memories and you learn a lot of things in the process. If I had just finished my lectures and graduated from the institute, I might have learned say 10% of what I know right now. But because I made the satellite, on a day-to-day basis, right now I am working with an IoT company, Internet of Things, where we want to convert a tractor into a smart tractor. You are hearing the word smart a lot, right? Nowadays there are smart TVs, there are smart ACs, there are smart washing machines. Everything wants to become smart. So we are trying to make a tractor smart. And on a day-to-day basis, whatever we do, all the learnings I got from making the satellite. Satellite and tractor, what is the connection, you might think, right? Satellite is in space, tractor is on ground. Satellite takes so much money to make. Tractor, even a poor farmer can own a tractor. What is the connection between a satellite and a tractor? That's the point. When you do difficult things, you realize that a lot of things that you do every day are very much interconnected. Right. The things that the coding that I did for the satellite, the hardware that we built for the satellite, I see very similar codes and hardware can be used for making a tractor smart. Right. So when you take on difficult problems and when you do something you find very challenging, दूर से देखा तो बहुत challenging था, पास आके देखा तो कुछ नहीं था. Very famous Hindi line, दूर से देखा तो क्या था. Yeah. So from far away it looked very challenging. When you went closer, it was almost achievable. When you do that, in the process of covering that distance and going from far to close by, you learn a lot, and it will help you in ways you don't understand right away. Right. So I think Ratnesh has motivated you enough and made you very excited about the project. From my side, the message that I would want to give is that if you feel overwhelmed by this, that this is some extraordinary stuff that only some superhuman beings can do this, that's not the case. I did not know how to make it. With Ratnesh and everyone's help, I was able to make it. If you don't know how to face a difficult problem right away, just get started solving it. You will find people who will help you and you will eventually reach the solution. Once you find the solution, that problem will not appear to be very difficult after all, right? So I think I'll end my part here and then let Ratnesh take over.
So, wow.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your inspiring words, and you have shared your experiences very nicely, which is a motivation and so also encouragement for these young kids. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Yeah. So yes, thank you, yes. So I have not, but the satellite definitely what and really well. So thank you. So I'll do more things on the journey. I'll just share the screen. Yeah.
Yes.
And definitely.
Okay, so Satya ma'am is there.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
Okay. So Raviji, can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see. But one student represented.
Yes. So, so definitely this was the picture of the PSLV C35 from Sriharikota, and you can imagine the feel, the emotions when you can see your own satellite on. Acha, okay, okay, I'll read. Yeah, yeah. Can you see it now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, great. So that was the
Yes,
time.
yes, yes.
So in the first picture, when you saw a lot of people super excited about the launch and the thing, so those were the part. And then, as you can see in the picture, a lot of recognitions all around India from different places. After the launch, like for continuous 1 week, we were getting the calls from media coverage with article in news, and all those things were part of that success. Uh, but definitely, like uh, of every movie with the action adventure, already I informed you. But definitely, it also require a climax for the movie. So those climax part, the story of it, I'll definitely share on this. But before that, as you can see, this picture of Maharashtra governor who invited the whole team for the achievement. As you can see on the left, wishes from Prime Minister Narendra Modi uh, on this. And yes, so Yash also got so gold medal from Honorable Prime Minister. Though in the video he might look so simple and things, but he has achieved a lot of awards on even from Prime Minister. So that's really like I am proud on that. Uh, yeah,
Thank you.
so this is one of the climax thing for the satellite journey. As you can see in the picture, a bus and different words. So how this could be linked. So in this you can see Pratham IIT Bombay student satellite. So you might be knowing the various way, like there is a code, Morse code in the form of dot dash through which the satellite communicates with the ground station. So ground station is a place where you receive the signal from the satellite at different places in like on the land, and also
So it would have been very great, right, if the satellite could have sent us messages in English directly,
right,
or in Hindi or some other language. But then satellite doesn't know how to speak English. So satellite only knows 1010, and we translate the 10 to English.
right,
This is
right,
what is happening here. You can
very
see the
right.
waves at the bottom.
So
So every time there is a top, every time the wave rises up, it is a one. Every time it goes down, it is a zero. And we are translating the 10s to English technique.
yeah, so by this, yes, I would be really happy if you share this
Bombay
climate
students.
story, see the way it is. So please, yes.
Right. So, Ratnesh showed in the previous slide that we were invited by the governor of Maharashtra, and that was 2 days after the launch. So, 28th September. Satellite was launched on 26th September. 20th September, the governor of Maharashtra invited us for felicitating us. And in ordinary times, this was a big moment that the governor of your state is inviting you. But for us, it was we were not at all interested to go because we had not yet received the signal from the satellite. What's the point of celebrating if your satellite is not talking to you? If the satellite doesn't talk to you, it is as good as a rock in space, right? So we were fearing that have we just launched the rock in space? Is it not going to talk at all? And so the felicitation happened. None of us were really interested, and we were returning in this bus. So our institute has this bus for students. We call it Tum Tum, right? And we got a mail from London, and that mail said that we have received signal from your satellite, and they shared this file with us. So when you in your mobile phone, if you play this file, it appears as a sound file, audio file, okay, with a lot of beeps, right? And one of the members of our team who was in communications, Rachna, she within that bus, she heard the sound and she said, "Oh, this is Pratham satellite talking to us." And then all of a sudden, we were very happy that finally our satellite is alive in space. We haven't just sent a rock in space. And then in the entire journey, we were so in our campus we have this uh, this slogan Instica Babcon, and we were in the entire journey shouting Instica Babcon means who is the father of the institute, and we were shouting Instica Babcon Pratham Pratham, a sort of an assertion of the fact that the satellite is active and alive. So a very memorable journey. See, we were in Mumbai traffic at that time, so the entire city of Mumbai would have heard us that Pratham is alive, Pratham is sending signal, so on.
Yeah. Yes, very right. Yes, so we all, like all your children, like we came shouting from the Mumbai traffic and to the institute, like crying and all, lot of mixed emotions and excitement. Like for all the parents or teacher who might be here, it's like basically when you hear the first voice of your child. So that actually was sort of the feeling for us when it got launched and launched successfully. And later we received this signal all around world at different places like Netherlands, Finland, Japan, everywhere. Like all the places we received the signal all around the world with this thing like this is the Pratham IIT Bombay student satellite. So that's how the climax journey of this ended and continued. So to all the students present here, definitely there are ways through which you can definitely contribute in the space or satellite or science field of the nation for the nation. Uh, Definitely in the terms of space education, which is one of the field where Igniting Young Mind is already progressing on it to promote the space education to all the students all around India and even outside. So that is one on the mission of Dr. Kalam, as Leila ma'am also told. So, so the Dr. Kalam, like who himself was a great leader of this space field, that is one part. And his vision always had two things, which is basically the youth and the education. So now the Igniting Young Mind is a combination of three, where basically it is for the youth and focusing on the education of the space field. So that's how it is linked to the overall mission. And definitely you can be a part of ISRO or DRDO or many such missions. I'd be really happy to know like someone from this school will join these types of mission, and so you can definitely join space programs, or you can even think of making your own ISRO or NASA. So we have a lot of friends who dreamt about this making it own. So like one of my friend with the NASA, he turned it to be with his name starting with K. So he told I'll make a CASA sometime in the near future. So you can definitely dream about those terms. And based on this, I would just like to end off like if a person from Rameshwaram with the great expert in this field of space, who is called the Missile Man, if he can become the Dr. Kalam based on his dream, based on his own himself, so all of you can do it, and definitely. So yes, dream it to do it. So in this way, I'll just like to end, and then over to you, Abhijit.
Yes, good morning to all of you. And you can see the one picture over there on the screen. As you can see that the ISRO director is just standing with our Ratnesh and other team members of Pratham. And we want to tell all of you is that Igniting Young Minds is not only conducting the study workshop. We are having different program for the children. On the Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, we are organizing a program that is for dance competitions. And after that, on the birthday of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, you can use the best material and you can prepare your missiles and you can make a 30-second of video. You can wish a great scientist, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, on his birthday. As you know that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was from Tamil Nadu. So I hope that more number of people will participate from Tamil Nadu. Yes, Nana ma'am, please.
So yes, so also open for any questions of the students.
Hello, children. If you want to clarify anything, this is the time for asking, interacting with the scientist as well as guest of the particular occasion also. They will clear your doubts. Please.
So you can message on the chat box
Children,
any questions,
once again.
anything. Yeah.
Children, it is a wonderful
Ma'am, you
occasion.
can-
Please clarify your doubt if anybody is having.
So
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Raviji, your screen is visible.
Visual.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Yes, I want to show the picture column because that is the front of our also. So I just want to children that this is our brochure. We are fully dedicated to take his mission to the next level. All of you can see that this is our brochure of our team, and our inspiration is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was from Tamil Nadu. So we really dedicate the whole team dedicate our mission to him. Yes, Ratan ji, बोलिए.
Yes, we can see the process.
दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So, ma'am, can I show the certificate also now? Hello,
Sir, yes, of course. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, you can show the
We are,
certificate. Yes,
giving,
sir.
facility-
You are welcome.
Yes, the certificate to the school management from our Igniting Young Minds side for the certificate of appreciations for conducting this workshop in their school. And this is the certificate for all the students who is participating workshop. And this is another certificate for the another school, those who are participating in this workshop. Thank you, ma'am. You can continue now.
Yeah, so yes,
Ratnesh,
so
some
thank you,
people ask
Raviji.
questions.
Very, yes, we can definitely go through this a lot of questions. How do you feel like a scientist? How do you feel as a scientist?
I
So
think
question
yes,
by
Sangvi sir will answer this.
Definitely, question by
You know, the,
Yes, Raghavan and Raghavan.
the best.
Raghavan, you
the
can
best part
unmute
is
your mic.
that-
Yes.
No, the best part is that every day you get to work on some challenging problem, and whatever work you do, that has a direct impact on a lot of people. So when we launched the satellite, it definitely helped in the in the science part. Whatever purpose the satellite had. But apart from that, it also, just like in today's session, it also helped inspire a lot of people to make satellite. Like just like we told, right? In like pehle lagta tha ki how can students make satellite? Now we feel that even you guys can make satellite even in school. So that's the thing. And now on a day-to-day basis, you get to work on problems which can make life better for other people. So that is the most interesting part of being a scientist, I would say.
Nice. And also for all the students, I would like to tell you there is one of the satellite, very small satellite, which is by the name Kalamsat, which was actually built by all the students of the school. So you definitely have to look on those also. See how I'll be really happy a school from Tamil Nadu now can make a satellite, and we'll be really happy to have help you in any possible way for this, and which will be launched by ISRO.
Any more questions? Any more
Yeah.
questions, students?
There are a few in the chat.
Yes. What is currently going on in ISRO?
Gaganyaan is the
Yeah.
big mission right now.
A very, very big mission on.
Next question: what was your inspiration to become a scientist?
I think the main inspiration was science in general. You like if you like science, then there is no reason why you shouldn't pursue it. Uh, you should, get excited by the things that you learn on a day-to-day basis. Concepts of light, how it bends in certain materials, concepts of force, concept of sound. If these things, excite you, then you will keep finding, more exciting things as you explore more. And that's, the beauty of science. The more you know, the more you understand how much you don't know. So it's like you open a door and you think, okay, this is the last room, and you realize that it leads to 100 more doors, and this happens every time. So it's an unending quest. You keep on exploring, learning new things, and you remain a student for the rest of your life. I'm not in college right now, but every day I'm learning something new and something interesting. So that's one of the perks of being in science.
Right. So one more question is, how can a student like me can make a basic model of satellite?
You would like to take it up, Ratnesh?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
What you should be focusing on right now is understanding the underlying principles. So if you focus on satellite as an object, making this, you might not have the resources right away. But if you think of different parts of a satellite, one part is getting power from the solar panel and storing it in a battery. You can definitely get a solar panel and you can play around with it. One part is transmitting a signal from an antenna. All of you have seen remote controlled cars. You have worked with remote control toys in your childhood. That also does something similar, right? It takes a antenna from your whatever controller you have in your hand, and it controls the cars. So some wireless signal it is transmitting to the car. So the concepts of building a satellite are much closer to you than you think they are. You must be having solar panels on your roof. You must be. What do you do when you feel cold? In winter, when you feel cold, what do? You cover yourself with some woolen clothes, right? The satellite is in space in, say, 0 degree Kelvin, not even Celsius. In Celsius, it's like minus 273 degrees Celsius, something like that. So what does the satellite do when it feels cold? It also covers itself with some woolen clothes. You see, if you have seen pictures of satellites, all satellites have a golden layer around it. Have you seen golden layers? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that golden layer is satellite's blanket, right? So think about the basic concepts behind a satellite. Instead of thinking about the system as a whole, try to break it down. What are the
one thing linked to this is is science enough for? So definitely not. I'll just add on that. Science is not. You can go ahead with biomedical. Anything could be the part of satellite. Definitely, there are we used to. The people used to send animals to the space. So anything on the research from biomedical science, not just science, anything could be part of satellite. For kids, what will be the starting stage to explore? So definitely so Raviji, also you can explain through the help of Igniting Young Minds, we are actually making children to build their own satellite model with the waste material or anything on those with the drawings of it, for very small kids on that. So those are the igniting points to make your own your own satellite. And
some student from Tamil Nadu, the same school, first class student, I made this rocket model for Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam event. It's small, but he is just anything, I just don't remember his name. I think Lala ma'am knows his name. Lala ma'am, can you tell his
yes,
name?
Sri.
Lala
Yeah.
Ma'am, the first
Very small
class,
for 4 years.
very good to him, and he was, yes, he was very, very genius boy. Okay. So now,
So,
Ratnesh ji,
yes, yes. So no. So any more questions? I think lot of things on how
okay.
we can actually. So just I can feel ki a lot of questions are how the students can actually make the satellite, and so that means we are on the right track. Ki they are thinking to building their own satellite. So that's superb. That's wonderful to all, and yeah. So we'll be really happy to take your any
Yes,
questions. So
Ratnesh
you can
ji,
join on WhatsApp group. So yes, Ravi ji, you can conclude
yes,
now.
I
Yeah.
request Denul Asmi, are you there? Yes, yes,
sir.
Denul Asmi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you unmute
Yes.
yourself and say your words. Say your words. You can use your
Sure, sir. A warm and grateful morning to most valued Honorable Chief Guest, Igniting Young Minds Committee, worthy teachers, my dear friends, and everyone gathered here. My privilege to propose a vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this workshop on satellite technology event for us. First of all, extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. I'm always sure of it. Last but not least, a big thank to each one of who made this workshop joyful with the impressive explanation on satellite technology.
Sir, excuse me. I request the children from Godson. They want to share their vote of thanks.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Children from Godson School, please unmute yourself. Any children can speak. Those who want to speak, you unmute yourself and speak about today program.
Please do fast.
I am Godson.
Type of logic technology also IIT Bomb 2016 2014 IIT 4000 4 months later September 16th to 20,000 SIPL Satish Diwan Sri
Okay.
Got muted.
Okay.
Yes, Amira and Supraja, please proceed.
A very happy morning to one and all present over here. Leadership means to put the vision into action and make it possible. Today, we all have come to know the great effort taken by igniting anyone looking to
Somebody has unmuted her. Somebody has muted her.
the young scientist Ratnesh, the offset scientist, all the wonderful qualities of science and Kala we find in you, sir. Words are less. Words are less. A big salute for your narration and the concept about Pratan. Yash, young, super enthusiastic satellite field will be.
Thank you, Amira.
Thank you, Amira.
Okay,
Thank
fine.
you, Amira.
I request some of the dignitary from the Godson School to share their words.
Pavitra Miss, if you are there, kindly speak for Godson.
Yes. Godson
Pavitra
School,
Miss.
please share your. Pavitra Miss, are you there? Pavitra Miss.
All right.
No, I think she's not there.
Yeah, network problem is going on, sir. Very
Ma'am, you can
badly.
speak from behalf of, ma'am, once again.
So
Ma'am,
Bhava,
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you
Yes,
can
sir.
Bhava
speak behalf of the Godson, no. You can speak from Godson side, right? Lala ma'am. Yes.
Right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am going to. A very big thanks from the bottom of our hearts. The children, they couldn't participate in the workshop. I am really feeling sad about them, even though the workshop has already gone very well, especially because of the young scientists. And I know very well that these children, those who have already attended the workshop, along with the grown-up, surely they will be enriched and might have decided to do something for our making our country self-reliant. Thanks a lot, the founder manager Ravi sir, Rishuji, Rajneshi, and yes sir also. And at the same time, I wish all the best to Shahjahan sir, Satya Robert, as well as Dhanalakshmi Miss and Pavitra Miss also. Because of the network problem, they are not able to join, and the main reason for many of the students too. I wish them the very best for the future. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank
Thank
you,
you, Leela ma'am.
ma'am,
Yeah,
for your golden words. And now, रत्नेश जी close करने का?
yes, Ravi.
Hello.
Some students were raising hand for something. I like if they have something to.
Yes. Anybody want to ask anything? You can ask us.
Okay. No issues. So, okay. Yeah.
No, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, okay, good. चलो ठीक है बेटा. Okay, रत्नेश जी close करते हैं. Session close करते हैं.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you everyone. You can leave the meeting by saying Jai Hind. You can leave the meeting by saying Jai Hind. Everyone can unmute yourself and say Jai Hind and leave the meeting. Unmute yourself and say Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Switch on the video.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you can leave the meeting by saying Jai
Thank you,
Hind.
sir.
Small kids,
Jai Hind.
unmute yourself and
Jai
say
Hind, sir.
Thank you,
Jai
ma'am.
Hind.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You can leave the meeting by unmute. You can unmute yourself and say Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, everyone leave the meeting right now. Everyone please leave the meeting by saying Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Children, leave the
Say Jai
meeting.
Hind. Yes.
Leela ma'am, are you there? Hello, Leela ma'am.
There, sir, but I think because of the network problem, many children were not able to join.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not thinking about that. I'm just telling you that there was one issue I can tell you from here. Somebody have given the password of our this thing Google account to someone else. Okay.
Oh, is it? Ah.
That's why whenever I was speaking, even that a student was speaking, that person was muting that person.
Oh, okay.
I am going to change the password right now. I'm going to change the password right now because it is a very big blunder. I
No,
just
sir,
saw that.
no.
Okay.
Students were doing like that, sir. It's not a sharing password. A student लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं, sir. कोई भी
नहीं कर
सकता है.
सकते. Admin कर सकता है.
जैसे
Only admin can do this. Admin can do this. Nobody
नहीं
can do
sir,
this.
नहीं. कोई भी कर सकता है.
नहीं ऋषु भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ ना कि मैं गूगल मीट का मैं अपना खुद का एक्सपीरियंस बता रहा हूँ. एडमिन के अलावा कोई नहीं कर सकता है. हम दो ही एडमिन हैं यहाँ पर. एक थे रत्नेश जी और एक था मैं. और तीसरा आदमी म्यूट कर रहा था. तीसरा एक आदमी म्यूट कर रहा था.
Ayyo, that's really very bad.
Yes, I
बहुत
will change the
वही
password right now, ma'am, because it is a very big,
Yes,
blunder.
sir. And more than that, sir, keep on changing the password whenever this problem
Because
comes.
this is
Don't give the
something I
same
have,
password.
you know what happened? Denul was speaking muted. I was speaking muted. Then the other
Yeah.
person was speaking muted. How it
Even,
is getting muted?
sir, Rednesh sir was speaking, that team also. And yes, sir, that team also it was muted.
ऋषु भाई, किसी को हम म्यूट नहीं कर सकते, एडमिन केवल म्यूट कर सकता है। किसी भी वर्कशॉप में एडमिन के हाथ में कंट्रोल होता है। हम लोग एडमिन है।
देखिए अभी हम लैला मैम को म्यूट कर सकते हैं।
पहले आप लॉगिन किए हुए होंगे, आप इसका अकाउंट से, हमारे अकाउंट से लॉगिन किए होंगे।
मेरा अकाउंट चल रहा है सर, देखिए
आप म्यूट कीजिए, तो लैला मैम को म्यूट कीजिए।
मैं कर दे रहा हूँ।
कैसे म्यूट करेगा, दिखाइए मुझे।
म्यूट हो गए ना,
लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता प्रियांशु करके कौन है, प्रियांशु कौन था जो म्यूट कर रहा था? प्रियांशु
सर,
करके एक आदमी था जिसने म्यूट कर रहा था सभी को। आई जस्ट वांट टू नो हु इज दैट पर्सन।
नहीं, 2-3 लड़के थे, एक इंदिरा करके था और कुछ था सर, एक इंदिरा कुछ करके था उसका आईडी।
नहीं, म्यूट कर रहा था प्रियांशु करके, मैं उसका देख रहा था। बार बार वही म्यूट कर रहा था। ओके,
एंड
मुश्किल है, मैं इसके ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे अभी। मैम, लैला मैम
प्लीज।
हेलो लैला मैम,
प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ मैम।
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
1 second, we have to close the meeting, ma'am, because recording is on. Because I have to stop the. Everything is getting.
Absolutely.